Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to add a new device in your Authenticator app. So we are using Microsoft Authenticator, and if you are adding a new device, it's pretty much simple. So when you go to settings and you have device registration, you have to register a device. So you will have to register this device by an email, by an organization, of course. So that's only if it's a work or a school account. But if you're using a personal account, it's different and you don't really have to add a device. So all you have to do is add your account again and say personal account, and then you can scan a QR code that you can actually use so that you will add that into the new device basically. So just press scan your QR code, allow your camera, and then scan the QR code from the previous phone that you have or the other device you have. Or you can sign in manually right like this and then sign in using your own account. And it's just that simple to add a new device into your Authenticator app. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.